Hi, this is Mick Elliott of Electronic Specifier at European Microwave Week in Paris. I'm here with David Dinzilio, Senior Vice President at WIN Semiconductor. David, welcome to Electronic Specifier's video. Could I just first ask you, the 5G business is growing in pace and chip manufacturers are now more and more developing products. Can you just talk a little bit about how WIN Semiconductors is supporting some of those companies?
Sure, I'd be happy to. What we're doing is supporting component manufacturers across the frequency spectrum for 5G. 5G, of course, is divided into sub-6 gigahertz and millimeter wave. I would say the majority of the activity recently has been in the sub-6. There's been large deployments of sub-6 infrastructure as well as development of mobile devices, user equipment, particularly in China. And there we're continually developing, improving our HBT technology, which is in many LTE phones today for the cellular power amplifiers. The frequencies being deployed in the mainland China is 3.5 gigahertz. So we've improved the performance of our HBT technology for that application. Additionally, on the infrastructure side, we have a fair presence in the MIMO access points on the receive side. We have best-in-class LNA performance, and finding significant uptake for that technology for the MIMO infrastructure. On the millimeter wave side, which is still developing, there is millimeter wave access points being built. That technology, I would say, is still evolving. We have made investments in highly integrated gallium arsenide technologies, which can realize a single chip front end to be able to increase the transmit power, reduce the number of antennas, and be able to do all that on a single chip, both for the transmit and receive side. There is engineering work being done there, so still our customers are developing the front ends for that application, and we expect production in the future as the deployments of the millimeter wave access points start to increase.
Just talking about gallium nitride as well, what sort of investments are there and how are you seeing an uptake there?
Well, a great question. Thanks for reminding about gallium nitride. Just in the last several months, we've released our 0.15 micron gate gallium nitride technology, which is aimed at millimeter wave applications through 35 gigahertz. Not only the millimeter wave access points, but there's a number of satellite applications which use that frequency band. We've had demonstrators of 5 watts output power PAs, and there's a good demand for that technology in the marketplace, so we're seeing a really active engineering and product development pipeline for that technology.
I think from recollection, you've also been making quite a bit of investment in various new fabs within WIN Semiconductors. Can you just talk about some of the recent investments on the fabrication side?
Sure. We do have 3 fab locations, more than 3,000 employees, all in Taiwan. Our third fab, Fab C, is we've invested in the last year, probably have added about 10,000 wafers per month of capacity in that facility, and we have just decided to make another investment to expand the capacity of that building by another 5,000 wafers per month, and again in response to the demand across the board for our technologies.
Just changing tack slightly, 3D sensor technology seems to be gathering apace, and I'm just wondering if WIN Semiconductor has any plans for that market.
Certainly. 3D sensing relies on vertical cavity surface emitting lasers, which are a compound semiconductor device based on gallium arsenide principally, and is a part of our core technology. In fact, we are the largest manufacturer in the world of VCSEL arrays for 3D sensing, and our customer has the slot in the iPhone for the facial recognition, which uses VCSELs for 3D sensing. So if you have an iPhone 10 or 11, you have WIN technology in the 3D sensing module.
But there does seem to be a technology that's expanding and growing, and maybe there's other applications as well. So I guess you see a big future for that alongside what you're doing in 5G.
We do. It is leveraging our core technology, which is compound semiconductors. The uptake in 3D sensing has been exciting. It's gone through a tremendous ramp, but there is many more applications, as you have said. But it does point to the fact that we have developed a optical device portfolio, and we are continuing to invest and expand that portfolio where it makes sense. And again, it's leveraging our core competency. So yes, there's a lot of activity there.
Okay, David, thanks very much for joining us at European Microwave Week. We appreciate your time. Thank you.